and welcome to the Countess and Kristoff Variety Channel. We're back today with a really short unboxing video because today we got our Freezies treats. These are all over TikTok right now. They are the freeze-dried candy. It's supposed to be really easy for people to wear with dentures and tooth problems. So we're really excited to unbox what we got today. All right, Kristoff, open it up.
Yes, Countess. I got the knife. All right, so let's see what we got here.
Don't cut the candy, Kristoff.
I'm not cutting the candy. No cut the candy.
This is our first box from Freezies Treats. I've been watching them for a couple weeks now, and everything just looks so delicious. So we thought we had to try.
Okay, so let's see what we got in the box here. We have a thank you card.
Ooh, and it's got a coupon for our next order.
And some Twizzlers, which I don't think are Freezy Twizzlers.
No, there's a handful of grab candy that they usually throw in on the top. It's like random stuff.
Okay, so our first one that we have here is we have Countess.
These are the crunchy heads. So these are the freeze-dried airheads. Wait, we're gonna try these first.
Oh, okay. I got eager.
All right, so
freeze-dried airheads.
Freeze-dried airheads. So we're gonna start with the mystery flavor, the white one. Just break it in half if I can. Ooh.
Broke pretty easily.
All right.
Cheers.
Let's go.
What do you think? It definitely tastes like a mystery flavor airhead.
That is so awesome.
But it's very crunchy. Like very crunchy, but not... It's soft, but it's crunchy. It's very hard to describe.
It's crunchy, but it melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's such a unique, like, texture experience.
Mm-hmm.
But it's got a lot of flavor. I would say almost more flavor than the actual airhead, which is really surprising.
Agreed.
I give this a 10 out of 10.
10 corpses?
I don't think I can draw that many corpses.
Don't let it fool you.
All right. What's the next one we got?
The next one we have. Here you go. What is this?
These are the assorted taffies. So these are like the saltwater taffy that you get in the grocery store in the little wrappers.
Or county fairs, things like that.
Yep. Comes in a variety of flavors. They freeze dry them all up and put them on here. You want to try these?
Absolutely. Easy to open, I'll say that too. The packaging, you gotta say, the packaging is actually very nice.
Packaging is really good. I think it's got to be so it keeps it nice and dry.
I even like from an aesthetic point of view.
Yeah.
I mean, the aesthetic of it's actually pretty nice.
All right, what flavor do you think you want to try?
I don't even know what flavors are in there, so surprise me. I trust the Countess's judgment.
Okay, let's go for this green one.
Okay.
You take a bite, and then I'll take a bite.
All right. Oh my God, that's good.
We have a winner for Kristoff.
That is really, that's like a green apple. That is really good. Isn't it? And taffy is one of those things that's normally very hard to eat. This was easy.
That melted in my mouth so much faster than I expected.
Yeah. Agreed.
Oh, yeah.
That was good.
That was good. All right, what's next? I'm excited.
All right. Okay, we have, some more of the grab candies. It looks like I don't think these are Freezies.
These are the, this is your free sample.
Oh!
So this is the organic rainbow crunchies. And those are essentially Skittles. I actually got a big bag of those because I heard these are the best. So
I think we got this too, same thing.
Yep, same thing, 2 bags, same thing. We both love Skittles, so what better way to do? Let's try the freeze-dried version.
Now keep in mind, when we got these, there was a lot more that you can possibly get.
Oh yeah.
And we will be putting a link to the site in our description below.
Yeah. Okay. All right, I got a grape one.
I got a grape one as well.
All right, ready?
Right.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
That is amazing. Oh my gosh, that is really, wow. Like, the flavor is very strong, but it's very good.
It's so good.
Yeah.
New favorite snacks.
Agreed. Popcorn.
Oh, yeah. Nope. Using the crunchy lemon heads.
Oh boy.
Lemon crunchies.
The Countess does like her sour things.
I like sour.
That's what she likes, Crystal. Okay. Now, I don't know if you remember these from many, many years ago, but these are the lemon heads, little 10-cent boxes.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. This is nuts.
It's so good though.
That's what I mean.
Mmm.
Very strong sour flavor.
Yeah, it's really good. It like starts off really sweet, and then that sour middle layer just like kind of disposited all over. So good.
Do you have anything else? Is that everything we bought? I don't know.
I think that's everything we ordered.
No, there's only something here. Oh. You know, I will say they also pack it very well.
Yeah, the box is a little dented, but
yeah, but
that's
everything,
yes.
ooh, bubble wrap.
All right. Thank you for joining us in our little short. As always, make sure you leave a comment below if you'd like to see other unboxing videos that we'd like to do. Give us a like if you like this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab. Thank you, and we'll see you back in the lab next time.
Good evening, mortals.
Bye.